Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we continue our journey southbound on Interstate 95 through Florida, beginning at mile marker 237 in unincorporated Volusia County. This stretch of highway is surrounded by dense woodlands, typical of Central Florida. The vegetation here has a distinct, vibrant green hue that stands out even under the midday sun. Palmettos, pines, and moss-draped oaks line the roadway, giving the landscape a lush, almost tropical appearance.
Didn't mean to lose my head, but that's the way it goes. Twisting all like I said, when I don't play the role. Oh, I'm so misunderstood. I should just keep my big mouth closed. Crawl back into bed, cause it's the safest place I know. Then to my surprise, you pulled me out alive. I thought I'd never make it out of that room. But gray is back to blue, the trees are greener too. I think I see it clearer next to you. I think I'm just better next to you, to you. I think I'm just better next to you. So set me straight again, cause I've been off the rails. The demons seem like friends, and right now I can't tell.
At mile 231, we cross into Brevard County, home to Florida's Space Coast. Brevard has an estimated population of 630,000 as of 2023, and it's best known for its aerospace industry and the Kennedy Space Center. Just ahead at exit 231, a point of interest is the Cape Canaveral National Cemetery, located in nearby Scottsmore. This is a Department of Veterans Affairs national cemetery established in 2015 to serve the burial needs of over 163,000 veterans in the Central Florida region. The peaceful site spans more than 300 acres and includes ceremonial areas, a memorial wall, and military monuments.
I think I see it clearer next to you. Oh, what a nice surprise. You pulled me out alive. Thought I'd never make it out of that room. Gray is back to blue. The trees are greener too. I think I see it clearer next to you. I think I'm just better next to you.
Continuing south, we pass the small community of Mims, a quiet, unincorporated area with roots in citrus farming and railroads. While not large, Mims serves as a gateway to outdoor recreation and nearby coastal preserves. At exit 223, we reach State Road 46, which connects eastward to Mims and westward to the city of Sanford, home of Orlando Sanford International Airport, IATA code SFB. While it shares part of its name with the larger airport in Orlando, this is a separate facility. Sanford Airport serves as a hub for several budget carriers and offers direct flights to domestic and international destinations, especially to and from the Midwest and Northeast. It's also known for shorter lines and a more relaxed travel experience than larger airports in the region. We enter the city of Titusville with a population of about 48,000 as of the 2020 census. Titusville is often referred to as the gateway to nature and space, thanks to its close proximity to Kennedy Space Center and the nearby wildlife refuges. At exit 220, note the brown exit sign instead of the usual green. This marks a turnoff to the Titusville Historic District, where visitors can explore early 20th century architecture and museums. This exit also provides access to Canaveral National Seashore, a protected barrier island offering pristine beaches and undeveloped coastline, and the Merritt Island National Wildlife Refuge, a 140,000-acre habitat supporting hundreds of bird species, alligators, and manatees. At exit 215, we intersect with State Road 50, the first of several exits leading toward Kennedy Space Center. State Road 50 runs west all the way to Orlando, making it a major east-west corridor in Central Florida.
But it never seems so to me.
At exit 212, we see signs for State Road 407, which also connects to the Kennedy Space Center and continues west to Orlando International Airport, known by its IATA code MCO. MCO is Florida's busiest airport outside of South Florida, offering hundreds of daily flights around the world and serving as a primary gateway for visitors headed to Walt Disney World, Universal Orlando, and the wider Central Florida region. We wrap up today's video as we enter Port St. John, an unincorporated community in northern Brevard County. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment below, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.